Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to connect Freshsales to HubSpot? This tutorial will show you how to synchronize data between these two powerful CRM platforms, enhancing your marketing and sales efforts. Follow these steps to connect Freshsales with HubSpot. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First of all guys, you have to go ahead and open freshworks.com. Open the website and go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to this page where you can simply log into your account. In case you didn't have one, then you have to create it. I have already an account, so I'm simply gonna go and connect to my account. Now, how can we connect our Freshsales account with HubSpot? First of all, go ahead and click into this settings or admin settings and make sure to go ahead and open apps and integrations. Then click on marketplace apps. You will be taken to this page where you are going to find every single app that could be connected to your Freshworks or basically Freshsales account. This is the page. Now simply just write Hub and wait for HubSpot to be shown to you. Click on it and this is the page that explains everything about it. So this is an overview. This app allows the user to integrate their CRM contacts with HubSpot contacts. Any new contact created in the CRM can be created as a HubSpot contact throughout this app. The user can choose to update the data from the CRM to HubSpot or vice versa in the app. This app synchronizes contacts between HubSpot and the CRM in the backend, which means that the user is required to configure the app only once with their HubSpot credentials, after which the data synchronized between HubSpot and the CRM is done seamlessly. This app ensures that the latest data is always present in both the apps, as it constantly updates the latest changes from the CRM to HubSpot and vice versa. The user can also map the fields in the way they wish. From the CRM to HubSpot, for example, the user can choose which one of these two fields, work email, personal email, be synchronized as primary email in a HubSpot contact. Now, features of the app: the user can configure the direction of synchronized from the CRM to HubSpot or vice versa or both. The synchronization happens seamlessly every 12 hours. The user can map the fields and the CRM to fields in HubSpot, which means that the user have control over the transformation of the data. These are some app screenshots, so you can get it all done. So this is data synchronization and migration. Navigate to this section and click on the app. Then go ahead and basically click on set out synchronization. But first, you will have to map everything. So this is where you have to map everything. Map the Freshsales fields to HubSpot fields. Then here you have to choose two ways or one way, or simply like one way from CRM to HubSpot or all the way around. And here basically you have to put your domain name. So let's proceed to that. Click on install right here, and it will take us to the settings. As simple as that. Just wait a little bit until it is fully downloaded or basically installed, and now we are into the settings. Now we simply have to go here, click on settings and edit settings. Now we simply have to wait, and now we are on the logs and settings of the HubSpot. So now we have to connect to HubSpot account. Simply click on connect and they are going to take you to the HubSpot. Sign in to your HubSpot account by using your Gmail account or Microsoft or Apple or basically anything that you want. Click on continue and give it a couple of basically informations. Go to your inbox and confirm your email simply by copying the code that will be sent to you, 521659. 521659. Log in, and as you can see, connecting authentication to HubSpot. Choose account, basically no account match that search, so we don't need to have that. Now let's go to all accounts. As you can see, and this is basically the account security, everything's good. That's perfect. So now let's basically go ahead and basically refresh the page. Let's wait a bit more, and just after you do so, let me just search for HubSpot one more time so you can open the page, edit settings. And once you connect your account, this thing right here will be changed and you will get the access to your account on HubSpot, so you can now make sure that everything is connected. So now we have to connecting O authentication 2 to HubSpot. So we have to go ahead and choose an account from O authentication 2. So to get that, you have to create an account in here, which basically is very important. If you don't have any account on it, you will not be able to do so. So this is a very important part. Now, what are the benefits of you using HubSpot with the Freshsales? So here we have this article. How is this integration useful? Integrating your Freshsales and HubSpot account lets you synchronize updates and helps you transfer Freshsales leads and contacts to HubSpot as contacts and vice versa instantly. You might now constantly keep your sales and marketing teams updated and work efficiently. Before you start with this, look out for these prerequisites. So first, you need to be an admin for both your Freshsales and HubSpot accounts. Only records with a valid email field gets transferred or updated. So ensure all records, be it Freshsales or HubSpot, has an email address associated with it. Now, the enable of the integration we've already been through, so this is how it looks like. And now basically we need to actually understand what are the use cases of it. So this is the logs. Here we have everything in this article that can explain to us everything. So here, let's go back to the top here. So now we have like the talk about the connection, which we already made. So you have to put here your domain, and here the most important part, which is the settings. After you choose which way you would like to do the settings, they will go in to take you to the mapping. In the mapping, you have to choose basically each field. As you can see, for example, here, this city, what's its name in Freshsales. For example, there will be HubSpot information like first name, last name, city, and zip code, etc. Some fields are going to be custom in HubSpot. For example, status of this client, of the contact. Let's say, for example, you have a subscribed or unsubscribed. This thing is not something that exists, for example, in Freshsales. So you have to give it another name that could be mapping. So this field is gonna be transferred to a specific place. It's not gonna be randomly removed and not transfers with all the data from HubSpot to Freshsales or all the way around. You need to understand that for your data to be safe and to not transfer half of the data and leave the other half behind. So this is very important, guys, to note. And this is pretty simple, guys. You just have to check which fields are available for HubSpot and like basically Freshsales. There are going to be the basic ones like first name, last name, etc. But the other ones that are custom, you have to recreate them on Freshsales or basically just give them another name. And that is pretty much it for the use and how you can use it. Once you feel like done, you can click on this button that says start synchronization, and your synchronization and connection should be working. And that was it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.